And welcome to your ASX chart of the day. It's Wednesday, the 13th of September 2023. Today, we are looking at Westgold Resources Limited, fairly obviously in the gold space. Ticker code WGX. Now, this is one we covered a few days ago, and we're going to update you on price action today, which looks very positive. So if we look at the price chart, you can see there we had a couple of attempts to breach this 173 level without success. This was an important level back here in early July and in late April. But you can see here yesterday's candle confirmed a move over 173, closed around about halfway up the candle. But today, again, we've got some buying coming in. Currently sitting at 179. And this is the high of the day that was hit both yesterday and 4 sessions ago. So it is an important level. So we'd like to see it over 180 just to confirm that this is a move higher towards the last hour of the day. If we put this into context and look at the weekly chart, you can see how important this potential breach is. Could be a move up in the first instance to around about $2. What's interesting about this move here is that gold has been pretty flat over the last few days. So to see a gold stock do very well suggests that fundamentally the company is in a strong place. So as I said, have a look in the last hour and see where it sits and may be worth consideration. Trade safe and see you again soon. Bye bye for now.